In the last slide, we just talked about having different opinions. We can be more effective in sharing our ideas when we listen and think about the ideas of others. Sometimes it is important to support your opinion with research. For example, I believe that this fall we had the most rain in 10 years. This is my opinion. Others may agree or disagree with my opinion. One way to get others to understand my opinion is to provide facts based on research. I could use primary or secondary sources to gather my facts. We can look at this chart here to help us better understand primary and secondary sources. Research is using sources to find information. A primary source tells about something from direct experience, such as an interview, journals, letters, or personal stories. Secondary sources give information from a primary source. Nonfiction books such as biographies, historical books, and textbooks, or reference books. It's important that when we are researching and using that information that we avoid plagiarism. We want to use our own words and put quotation marks around any text that you copy directly from the source. It's also important that we cite sources that we use.